In this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record on your laptop. I'm going to show you how to screen record it without downloading any software like OBS or Streamlabs, anything like that. So what you want to do is press on Windows and G, and that will open up this section. You can change your input for like your microphone, you can change your output, speaker, or headphones. You can customize this fully. If you don't want the performance tab, you can close that. But if you want to record, you can only record a game. So for example, open up Minecraft. You can do it normally or go into the controller bar and click on Minecraft. Click on play. Once Minecraft has opened up, again press Windows and G, and you can click on record right here, and it will start recording. You can start playing, blah blah blah. Once you've done, click on the stop button, click on this. You can see
record it right here.
You can open the file location to see where your files are stored. But that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.